I'm actually coming up today in honor of one of our subscribers. This person commented on one of our video that I made on holy meter. Good evening, just watched your video on failed showing on prepaid meter, and I tried the code on Mojec prepaid meter with number 45083622071, but it's not connecting at all. Please help, as my lights on is totally exhausted now. Thanks and God bless you. Now, in this case, the meter number stated here is 45083622071. That's a Mojec meter. So for Mojec meter, you don't need to press any default code. You only have two things to do. The first thing is to ensure that this meter, the UIU, is plugged to a wall socket. That's the first thing. Then the second thing is just dialing back your meter number inside. You just dial back your meter number and you send it. That's all. You're good. So it's as simple as that. Welcome back to this second video. I didn't expect I'm going to be making this video to this call. I was actually believing that the very first video we made on this has sorted this. One of our subscribers asked a question that since we showed how to pair meter for Holy, how about we helping her out with Mojec, which led us to making the very first video. And this video has gotten over 8,000 views, and the video has helped a lot of person. I've gotten thank you notes on those videos. So imagine over 8,000 persons help. But why I'm making this video is because I started getting some messages again. Some persons messaged me. Okay, let me check the channel. Mary messaged me and said, please, I've tried it, but it's still writing failed. Got another message from one fun fact, Harriet fun fact. He said, but I tried this, it is not connecting. It says fail and also restarts immediately. Brother says, have used it, but it's not working. It's still showing failed. Saying I have been trying to recharge since 4 days now and still writing failed. Still there's another one again. I tried entering the meter number on my Mojec prepaid, but it's still writing failed. So these are people sending a message one after the other. I don't have electricity at all. How do I connect my remote to my meter? And my meter model is UIU-RF Mojec. I have not had electricity for 2 days. Somebody just commented Mojec. So it shows that a lot of persons are really trying to use this function. Look at Mina. Mina said, hello, I tried this a few times on my Mojec meter and it's still not connecting. My power has gone out completely and I'm having to use my inverter and battery to power the meter. Please help. How about this one? Good morning, sir. I've plugged it on the wall. So there are several feedbacks coming. Plugged it on the wall socket, but it's still not working. I've gotten a lot of feedback on this. That's one. Now the messages I got on this are not up to 50. So that means out of the 8,400 persons that searched this video and watched it, it helped over 8,350 persons to resolve their issue. So for these few persons that have been commenting, we want to see how we can help them. Now, the very first video we made was very simple. We requested that the process is very easy for them. All they needed to do in response to the question of one of our subscribers is to just plug in this interface to a wall socket and dial in their meter number in, and everything works well. But now what they are now saying is that while they were done dialing in the meter number in this vein, they waited for a while and the meter returned failed. Right, so we're going to be discussing that extensively, but I wanted to just go for a break in the next few seconds. We'll be back. Welcome back to this part. For you to sort this second part of it, if you have tried the very first thing we instructed and is giving you failed, I don't want you to panic. The process is very easy to resolve. What you have to do is that you have to know that sometimes most of these meters have anger issues. Just for you to, sometimes you can just react and get angry. Sometimes these meters, when they are communicated already in the process of testing in the factory, or maybe paired in the office or one other pairing sequence or something else, or maybe mistakenly paired to another one, the meter tends to retain that sense of communication, unlike other meters that would automatically resolve the initial configuration. Something like that happens, it means you are not the first person that is communicating this meter. So what you have to do now is you disconnect the very first configuration. How do you do that? Just dial in 118, submit it. It will read and return succeed. Once it shows succeed, then it has disconnected from whatever configuration it is tied to. Then dial your meter number now and send it. It will definitely return succeed. I hope this helps you. Please just do well to drop a feedback beneath in the comment section. Let me know if you still have other issues around other meter brands. I'm actually here to help. I'm here to help. Okay. So please try this out. If you still have any form of complications, do well to let me know. I'll be making other videos to explain other things in details around RF, MBOS, PLC, and all kinds of meter you'll be having, so that you know when to plug, when not to plug, when to stand close to the meter, when not to stand close to the meter. So this will solve this. I want to appreciate you for your time. Enjoy.